So you want to draw a dog face, huh? It's not rocket science, though it might seem like it at first. The trick is patience and consistency. Here's exactly how I'd approach it. Step by step, like a best friend, guiding you. First, start with a light pencil sketch of an oval. This will be the dog's head. Make it wider at the bottom. I call this the egghead stage. Just imagine you're drawing a vertical egg. It's all about proportions here. All right. The next step is to draw the guiding lines. Draw a vertical line in the middle of the oval and a horizontal one, about a third of the way down from the top. This ensures that the facial features will be symmetrical, which is key. Now for the eye, draw 2 almond shapes on either side of the vertical line. This is your dog's gentle gaze. Remember, positioning them an equal distance apart adds character and realism to your art. Next, let's give our furry friend a nose. Let's draw a small triangle at the lower half of the vertical line. It'll give a good base for the snout you're about to draw. Dogs can smell everything and you don't want to mess that up. Connecting the nose to the mouth is next. Draw 2 gentle curved lines from the bottom corners of the triangle, extending slightly downward into a wider U shape. And this forms the dog's snout, which is oh so adorable. Time for ears. Draw 2 droopy shapes extending from the top sides of your oval for a friendly spaniel look, or more perky triangular shapes for a terrier. Ears are like a dog's personality in a nutshell. For the finishing touches on the face, add detailing, fill in the pupils, add whisker lines, and shade in the nose for depth. This is where your precision shines. Don't rush it. This is dog artistry we're talking about. Don't forget the fur. Draw short strokes around the face to suggest fur texture. Following the face shape, this adds dimension and brings your drawing to life. Dogs are all about slick surfaces after all. The background matters too. Consider adding a collar or some playful paws, peeking in. Give your dog a setting that tells a story. A dog isn't just a face, right? It has its world. And pro tip, use reference images. Study photos of dogs of different breeds to capture unique traits. It's not cheating, it's smart learning. And dogs have a zillion breeds, each with their own flair. Finally, step back and take a moment. Every artist's painful pitfall is overworking the sketch. Know when to stop. Sometimes it's the imperfections that capture the personality the most, and embrace that uniqueness. There you go. Drawing a dog's face can be therapeutic. When you take it step by step, each mark you make tells a story of your growing skills. Now let that pooch sit proudly on your paper. Trust me, they don't need treats to stay put.